Got a Balemaster 760. Looks like it hasn't been used in quite a few years. That doesn't surprise me. I heard they really had trouble with the knotters. I heard these didn't tie real good, but you know, it looks awful similar to what I'm used to. Huh. Okay, yeah, okay. No, I'm used to, I suppose when it trips fast, you tie it, spins around to there and starts again, but it wouldn't spin that fast. Got 82 bales on the counter. In case you didn't know, you just push that in. I'm not going to reset his meter, but if you reset that and reset it, yeah. Ooh, that would take a narrow windrow. That's only about 4 feet. And yeah. Oh, what do we got to hook to? I think this is a G, but I'm not 100%. I'm sure it's not a U. I'm not the only one taking pictures here. I'm trying to stay out of his way. Maybe it is. It's only a 4-cylinder. Huh. Just for the heck of it. This is model 4030-4. It doesn't say what. It doesn't say if it's a U. Of course, the hand clutch. That was standard on these. 5-speed transmission, no overdrive. That's your hand clutch, that's your throttle on your shift stick. Okay, well, thank you.